Did you know that in 1970, just two small terrorist cells brought an entire nation to its knees? French-Canadian separatists kidnapped British diplomat James Cross, then murdered Quebec Minister Pierre Laporte with their bare hands. The government panicked. Prime Minister Trudeau declared martial law, suspending civil rights for millions of innocent citizens. Soldiers patrolled the streets like an occupied war zone. Democracy crumbled overnight, all because of a handful of extremists who proved that terror doesn't need armies, just the willingness to kill.